BuddyTunes. Kinderlieder.
Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, my bags are full. One for the master who rides so fast. One for the dame with the gardening hat. One for the boy who jumps so high. One for the bird who loves to fly. Wool for a scarf, wool for a hat, even for the neighbor's sleepy cat.
Baa Baa white sheep out in the sun, chewing on grass and having fun. Got some wool, we laugh and say. She smiles and nods, come back in May. Baa Baa gray sheep, chilling in the shade, sipping on lemonade, cool and late. He says here's wool for a cozy cake. Wool cake, that's a sheepy mistake. So Baa Baa sheep in black, white and gray, thanks for the wool you bring each day. Warm and soft and oh so sweet, you make winter feel like a cozy treat. Baa Baa gray sheep, chillin' in the shade, sipping on lemonade, you cool and late. He says here's wool for a cozy cake. Wool cake, that's a sheepy mistake. You make winter sheepy mistake.